Hi there, my name is Sean Logue, and this is my second Jing for the year. It's for week 3 in my online data structures and elementary algorithms class at MCC in the fall of 2018. So this week, our lab was to create a program that has a list in it, and I have the instructions up here. Programming a program that uses a list. This week, what you program will be up to you. Think of a use and program it. It does not have to be large. It does have to have an input and output routine. Don't make it cheesy. I do look at these and expect something worthwhile to look at. So nothing trivial that a sixth grader could write dazzle me a bit. So this week in our classes, we looked at a lot of different types of lists. A lot of them that honestly I was very unfamiliar with. I didn't really know how to utilize from what I read about circular queues and queues and what else? Let's see here. Sorry, one moment. Just gonna. Never mind. Yeah, so I didn't really understand much of what was going on there. I understood it, but I didn't know how to implement it. I tried doing a circular queue, but it said it couldn't be iterated over, and I felt like that was the entire point of a circular queue. So I just put that on the back burner for now. So I hope my function isn't, or my program isn't too simple. I realize it might be, but I did have to get something out. So what this function does is I have a list of books that have books to read. So it's kind of like a reading list. And then I have a books read list. Now, obviously, this function, or this, sorry, again, this program, it's not as polished as it could be. This isn't something that I would necessarily, give as a final finished, totally proud of project, but it's a short little program and it works. So let's see if I just click on this. Congrats. Which book did you finish? I'm still reading it, but let's say Paradise Lost. I should have added some code in there so that it didn't just immediately go away. Let's see. Well, I'll just leave that for now. You can see where I'm at, regardless of if I add something to just show the answer. But basically, if it's in the list of books that I've read, it'll take it off that list and then add it to my other list. As you can see here, something happens if it's on the list. Sorry, let me see. If the book's in the list, you remove it from the first list, and then you add it to the second list. If it's not, then it actually asks you whether you want to add it to the books read list. So nothing too fancy, but I was having trouble thinking of a program, and you said think of a use, and that's honestly one of the more useful things that I could do. So I don't know if we'll continue with specific assignments or if we'll just continue with projects in general that utilize lists. But I don't know, maybe I'll continue this because I would like to keep track of all the books I've read or whatnot. So I might actually use this program in real life. Yeah, so as far as lists go, I think I just need more time to use them. I think it would help if I saw some examples of how the queues and stacks worked, because I understand the concepts and how they were compared, but I just didn't really I couldn't implement them. Otherwise I would have. I actually kind of tried. And I copied some code I found online in this here on circular queues. So I'm kind of saving that to mess around with. So yeah, that's where I'm at this week. I hope this works. Yeah, that's just about it. Anyway, my name is Sean Logue. Thank you for listening, and that's all for today. Thanks.